Hey y'all, what's up? My name's Ish the motherfucking Beast, and I'm here to tell you a little bit about research surveys today. This is how I make some extra cash on the side. This is how I have money for fun things, clothing, online shopping, things like that. So if you want some extra dollars in your bank, just keep watching. The main website I use is called Respondent. Now this is just for research surveys, so researchers put out these surveys that they want a certain demographic to do, and so they give you a survey to see if you're good for the study. Now you take place in these studies, you sign an NDA, so I can't go too much into the studies I've done, but I'm going to tell you a little bit of overview of different things and how this website plays out. Respondent is described as a marketplace for sourcing, scheduling, and paying research respondents. So that's us. Respondent is a great website. I've had nothing but good things to say about it. You can take 3 different surveys a day. Now you can take 3 surveys to hopefully get into a study. That's how it works. So they ask you about 10 to 12 different questions. It could be almost 30 questions about who you are, what you do. They're gonna ask you all kinds of different things to see if they want you for this study. The types of people who can do these studies are people with kids, businesses, large and small businesses, business owners, doctors, seniors, farmers, self-employed, people who use paper towels, laundry, detergent, enthusiasts, diabetics, everyone, you can find a survey on there for yourself. I'm not used to talking this much, it's been a while. They're looking for all types of different people. There's not one single demographic that they're not looking for, basically. So my experience with it, I've done 8 paid research studies through Respondent, and I've made a total of $310. And I've only been doing it since last November. Honestly, it's hit or miss. You know, you're not gonna get picked for a survey every single day. So I think that's pretty good. That's unaccounted for money. It's good stuff. Also, some of the ones I've done are online shopping, skincare, sports cars, like very versatile. Review a website and they want feedback. That's another type. It's just very simple things. You're talking one-on-one with people for 30 minutes, 20 minutes, an hour. So I've done all kinds of stuff on there. It's a lot of fun. It's kind of nerve-wracking at first, but you get used to it, just talking to people on the phone. The researchers are really nice too, so they just want to get help. So you're helping them. Your opinion is just helping them. And now let's talk about the payout, how you get paid. So it goes through PayPal. Very legit. It takes about 3 to 7 days, about a week to get your money. And they usually take out at least $1 processing fee. So if you get accepted for a $20 survey and you complete it, then maybe they'll shoot you $19 and whatever, some change. But you can use my referral link to get signed up. Very much recommend it. With Respondent, you really have to be proactive. They give you 3 surveys a day. Just because you do a survey does not mean you're gonna get picked. There's a lot of times where I think I'm a shoo-in for this and I don't get picked. No harm, no foul, like whatever, it's fine. It's just super easy and it's a lot of fun doing these surveys. And the next one I'm gonna talk about is called Inspired Opinions by the Schlesinger Group, I don't know. So Inspired Opinions, who they are, they provide market research services for companies just like Respondent. They mainly just shoot you emails when there is a survey for you to take. Usually I do it immediately as soon as it hits my inbox, because a lot of times if you click the link it'll say, sorry, the survey is already full. So yes. But again, you click the link, go through the survey, they ask how old you are, male or female, whatever, all that good stuff, and see if you qualify for the study. And so they'll get back to you in a few days if you qualify for the study. I don't have a lot of luck with this just because they don't have as many survey opportunities as Respondent does. Respondent, it's easier because you can pick and choose like if you actually qualify for them. So this is like every once in a while, maybe. I've only done about 2 or 3, and they go by a point system. So you might get 200 to 300 points for completing a study if you actually do get accepted into it. 100 points only equals $1, so it's not that crazy, you know. But my experience with it, I had a 7-day diary study. This payout was $200, which that was nice. I can't talk too much about it just because I did sign an NDA, but after that, they asked if it's okay if researchers come to my house and interview me, and I thought, shoot, no one's gonna come to this house. I was living in Washington. I was like, sure, yeah, sure, come interview me. Little did I know, they flew people out to come to my house and interview me for 3 hours. They did bring me free pizza, which was great, and I did get an extra $250, which was even better. But I was just answering questions about myself and basically all about my background. They were just, yeah, they were really cool people, and it wasn't really awkward. It's only awkward if you make it awkward. But these people are really nice, and they just honestly want to find out what you know. They want your opinion. So just be dead honest with them, and yeah, Inspired Opinions, they'll send out emails. I honestly don't even go to the website to check it out. It's not even that big of a deal for me. When it hits my email, I just do it. Most of the times I'm not accepted for any of the studies, but I did get lucky that one time. I made over $400 with that one study. I am going to put both referral links in the description below, along with my Instagram, Twitter, my Mercari, all that good stuff. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. Everything's really self-explanatory. Just go sign up using those links. Hey, thank you guys for watching. Go get your surveys on. Let me know if you get accepted. Super exciting. I'm always here to help people make more money. I'm always looking for ways I can dip my hands in and get some extra coins. Yeah. Have fun, be yourself.